Candid CBSE Chemistry Lab Manual for Class 9th.
Experiment to prepare a true solution of common salt, sugar and alum. A suspension of soil, chalk powder and fine sand in water. A colloidal solution of starch in water and egg albumin in water, and distinguish between these. We have 3 glasses. This experiment is based on the theory that a colloid or a colloidal solution is a substance which is composed of extremely small particles of one material, that is dispersed phase. Requirements for the true solution: test tube, salt, water, rubber stopper. Preparation of true solution: take a test tube, add some salt to it. Pour some water in the test tube. Insert rubber stopper in the test tube. Shake the test tube. This is true solution. Requirements for the preparation of colloidal solution: test tube, egg albumin, water, rubber stopper. Prepare solution. Take a test tube. Let us study how we can prepare a mixture and a compound using iron phosphate. Our next experiment is to carry out the following chemical reactions and record observations. Also identify the type of reaction involved in each case.